So hi guys, so today we have this fabulous Clasico on Sector B. Now you're only a 10-minute walk to the golf course or to all the amenities on Sector B. This is a beautiful house. Look at the blooms on that bush over there. Isn't it absolutely gorgeous? Really complements the front of this house here. Okay, now you have got a walled area here, very decorative wrecker, and just in here you can have some pots and have some flowers for yourself. You've got a water. I'm going to bring you up. You've got decorative balustrade, and I'll bring you up to the front terrace. Now on the front terrace, as you can see, I love these terracotta flooring here. It's really pretty, very Spanish. And just above there, of course, you've got a lovely awning. It's a lovely area, Sector B. So just here is the outside of your terrace. Beautiful plants and established shrubs, as you can see. So let's go in and check it out. You have a dawn to dusk light above, or an outside light. Just going inside here now, and this is a lovely living space. You have, of course, got your ceiling light and fan there. You've got a wall heater just there for your heating. I'm just going to pan around to give you an idea of the room. Really lovely. And the sun is illuminating here beautifully. You've also got your aircon over your door. You've got a second wall heater under the window as well. And you've got your insect screens and your blackout blinds and security locks on the windows. So I'm just going through the archway into the 2 bedrooms and your family bathroom. So if I just go in here. So just in here is your master bedroom, as you can see. Just going to shut the door behind me. You have got switches and sockets on either side of the bed. Just above there, you've got your ceiling light and fan, a very modern one. And just under the window, you've got electric wall heater. So the sun is illuminating this room lovely. It is really lovely and warm today. We're blessed with the sunshine. And just here, you have overhead storage and a double wardrobe with sliding doors. Okay, I'm just going down here just to pan around to give you an idea on how spacious this room is. You can fit a king-size bed in these rooms. Really very generous. The bedrooms on the Clasico. So let me go straight over. I'm going to take you into the bathroom. So just inside the bathroom here, you have got a frosted glass window. You've got your bath there with a shower attachment. It has a semi-frosted glass screen. Just here you've got your bidet and your WC. Plenty of shelving as well. And you have your sink and pedestal. You've also got a nice mirror with some lights on there. You've got your shaving socket just by the sink as well. And I do like this nice little blue ribbon around the tiles. Very nice. So I'm going to take you back out now and we go into the guest bedroom. So in here, it's a very generous sized double bedroom. As you can see, you can put 2 single beds in here, no problem at all. So in here you have got aircon, and you've got your ceiling light and fan and your overhead storage and your double wardrobe. You've also got a wall heater just on the wall there. Now, even though there is quite a large double bed in here, you can fit 2 single beds in here. You know, they're quite generous, the rooms in the Clasico. Really nice. Okay, so let me take you outside. So I'm just going to take you through, and as you can see, I'm just going to pan around and you can have another view of this lovely area. Just in here is your kitchen. So this is a lovely kitchen. You've got plenty of top and base units. You've got an integrated gas hob and an electric oven. You've also got your drainer there. Got this nice modern strip around the tile area. Your worktops are granite effect, and you've got plenty of top and base units. You've got a dishwasher in there and your fridge freezer. So let me take you outside and we'll have a look outside, guys. Okay. Now we've got this little strips which is like a fly screen. So I've just come outside now and just come through the little decorative fly screen there. That's what all those little bits were. So you're outside here. Now this is a lovely area. You've got your sail there to keep the sun off you and keep it nice and shady. You've got a lovely seating area just here. So I'm just going down here. And I'm just going to pan around, as you can see, and you've got some beautiful decorative steps upstairs. You have a gas boiler there, and that is great. You've got instant hot water, and you've got your washing machine and dryer just under there, I'm assuming. And just above, you've got an outside light. Okay, so let's have a look to see if there is a washing machine behind here. I'm sure there is, yes, there's a washing machine just there. And of course you've got your worktop there, so if you want to fold your laundry or whatever. So I'm going to take you upstairs and I'll see you at the top, guys. We'll go up to the rooftop solarium. So here we are, guys, on the rooftop solarium. You have got a barbecue here and you've got storage doors on either side there for your storage. Beautiful blue skies here. Just see if these are open. No, it's locked. Ah, there's one here with a key. So we'll have a look in here. Just to give you an idea of the depth of them. Oh my goodness, see how much stuff you can get in here. So a lot of people put their cushions and that for the lounges in here. And you've got a lot of storage space. And it doesn't look very much, to be fair, but you've got an awful lot of storage space. It just needs a little TLC, a little bit of paint on there, and you're done. Not a lot to do up here. You've got your lounges there, and if I just show you, just down here, of course, and just over there, that is the golf course. It's about a 10-minute walk from here. Nice walk on a sunny afternoon for a drink or whatever you want. Alright, so let me take you back downstairs. So if you're interested in this property, don't forget to contact Dawn, info@tolettoseltobuy.com, and do check out our website, guys. There's loads more pictures of this property on the website, and we have some beautiful beaches around here in the Murcia region. So what do you think of this property, guys? You have a lovely Clasico here on Sector B, very close to amenities and the golf course. We are 20 minutes from all the local beaches, and you couldn't want for anything. Great community here on Camposol as well. So if you're interested in this property and want to view it, we have got the reference number, which I will leave in the title of the video, and the contact details. So do contact info@tolettoseltobuy.com, and I hope to see you guys soon. Take care until the next time. Bye for now.